I'm Thatch Wynn, and I'm the founder of Thatch Real Estate Group. Biggest why, passion, and purpose with my real estate business, I get very excited when someone comes to me and say, Thatch, I'm gonna buy a home, sell my home, or invest in real estate. Is be able to meet with the people, find out what their vision is, and be able to help them achieve those dreams. And that is my biggest passion about real estate, more of helping people achieve their dream than actually making the money. Because I know the money always follow when I actually help people with their dream. My philosophy in business, here's my philosophy, folks. The level of your success and happiness is in direct proportion to the number of people you serve selflessly. And that's my philosophy in life and in business. What got me into real estate was I'm sitting at Thai Tung restaurant, parking cars when I was 21 years old, and a friend of mine says, you should consider selling real estate. And I said, why? She said, because you have a great mouthpiece. And I was inspired from that moment, and I got into real estate knowing I need more than a mouthpiece. I need to learn how to be a great salesperson. And I went and got trained how to become a great salesperson. And that's what got me here today. My specialty in real estate is I know how to look at a piece of property and I can tell someone exactly what they need to do to get their house ready without putting a lot of money into it and maximize their investment. So when they sell the property, they can get the most money out of it without putting a lot of money into it. And my second specialty is I know how to help people know how to go buy a piece of real estate and know how to identify the right investment property so that they are maximizing their investment and they're getting the most cash flow out of it. And that's my specialty in real estate. What's important for someone to know about my business? I would say that my wife Cameron and I have been doing this now for 25 years. We are a seasoned real estate investor ourselves. We buy real estate, we invest in real estate. So when we go out and look at a piece of property, we know exactly what someone need to do if they're gonna buy the property so they can get the best investment. Or when we get ready, someone get ready to sell their home, we know exactly what to do so they can maximize their home to get it ready. So when they sell it, they get the most out of their house without putting a lot into it. And that's really our specialty. The next step, you want to learn more about me and learn about real estate, buying, selling, investing with me, is you go to thatchrealestategroup.com and you can learn more about me and contact me from there.